Good morning, friends. Today, let's discuss the solutions to the maths challenge. So, the first question said Tom's, Henry's, and James' ages add up to 24 years. What will their ages add up to 5 years from now? So, how many people are involved? Three of them: Tom, Henry, and James. And James, right? Jane, not James, Jane, right? So, now look at this apostrophe s, apostrophe s, apostrophe s, because we are talking about the ages. Now, how to solve this? So I tried giving all the steps for you. Number of people involved are 3. So every year, each one of them would become bigger by 1 year. So total increase in 1 year would be 3 years. Yes, so he will be 1 year older, he'll be 1 year older, she'll be 1 year older. So total age increase in 5 years would be how much? So if it is in 1 year, it's 3 years. In 5 years, simple multiplication, 15 years, right? Now, if it is 15 years, so ages sum is now how much? Right now, it is 24 years, right? So after 5 years, add 15 more to it, 39 years. So your answer should be 39. Okay, let's come to the next one. Jane has rupees 5 more than Mary. Okay. If Jane gives Mary rupees 2, how much more will she have than Mary? Look at the question very carefully. Jane has rupees 5 more than Mary. If Jane gives Mary rupees 2, how much more will she have than Mary? Now, it's not saying that she has 5 rupees. It's saying she has 5 rupees more, right? So, Mary may be having X rupees, an unknown quantity, X. Therefore, this is the sign for therefore, 3 dots like this. Therefore, Jane will have X plus 5. So 5 plus X. So if this was 5, if she had 3 rupees, then she'll have 3 plus 5, 8 rupees. After giving rupees 2 to Mary, Jane will have how much? She has X plus 5 already. She subtracts 2 rupees from there. X plus 5 minus 2 will give you X plus 3. Okay. So because 5 minus 2 is 3, so X plus 3. Mary will have how much now? She has X, she gains 2 rupees, so X plus 2. So the difference will be X plus 3, which Jane has, and X minus X plus 2 within brackets, like partitioning. When we learned about partitioning, we did it, plus X minus 2, this girl of ours will have, Mary. So how to solve this? Open the brackets, X minus X becomes a 0, and plus 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So the difference would be of 1 rupee. All right. I hope you understood this. I'll focus on this a little while. All right. Now coming to the last in the series, in this page, on this page actually, Harry gave away half his pocket money. He then spent 36 paisa on a penknife and found he had 25 paisa left. What pocket money did he have first? So let him have X rupees first. Now he gave half of the money. So he's left with X divided by 2, whatever is the amount that will be divided by 2. He spent 36 paise and was left with 25 paise. So X minus 0.36, because 36 paise would become 0.36 rupees. So X by 2 minus 0.36 is equal to 0.25. Just hold on. So X minus 2 minus 0.36, that is 36 paise, is equal to, he's left with 0.25 rupees, right? So 25 paise he was left with. So X plus 2 is here, and when we take it to the other side, the sign changes, as I've told you earlier in the classes. So it becomes 0.25 plus 0.36. So X by 2 is 61 paise. So half his pocket money is 61 paise, and now double it, multiply it by 2, right? So anyways, if you do cross multiplication, you'll do it like this. So 2 into 61, 0.61, right? So 1.22 rupees is your answer. Just focus on this. Hope you understood it. If you have not, you can always write back to me. All right. Now, 14th sum. After spending 70 paise of her pocket money, Jane found that she had 40 paise too little to buy a skipping rope, which was priced at rupees 3. How much pocket money had Jane at first? Now, this is a good question. It says that after spending 70 paise of her pocket money, She has already spent 70 paise from her pocket money, and she was short of 40 paise to buy a skipping rope which was at rupees 3. Okay, so how much pocket money did Jane have at first? So let's work backwards. Price of the rope was rupees 3. Jane had a shortage of 0.40. So 3.40 is equal to rupees 2.60. So rupees 2.60 she has already paid. Yes. Now that's how she'll be left with 0.40. So original pocket money would be 2.60 plus whatever amount she had spent over here, right? 0.70. So 3.30 would be her pocket money. All right. So price of the rope is rupees 3. Jane had a shortage of 40 paise to buy it. So 3 minus 0.40 is rupees 2.60 is what she must have already there. The rope she must have already paid, and 2.60 plus another 0.70 because she paid this already. So her entire pocket money was rupees 3.30. Another way of doing this is through by taking it with the help of x. Let Jane's money be x. She had already paid 70 paise, so she will be 70 paise less than what she had, so x minus 0.70. Rope's price is rupees 3. Jane is falling short of 0.40. So x minus 0.70, which she has already paid, which she has now, is equal to 3 minus 0.40 because this is what she is falling short of, right? So after paying this, so x is 3.40, x is equal to 3 minus 0.40. This will go here plus 0.70, so you will do some subtraction over here. So x is 3.30. So original pocket money that is left with her is 3.30. Okay, let's now 8 posts are placed in a line of 23 meters in a line 23 meters apart. What is the distance between the first post and the last post? So you can mentally draw, or I have drawn it for you. So you put the 8 posts over here. So between each post there is a distance of 23 meters, which I have underlined. Between 1 and 8 there will be 7 posts only, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Because it's between 1 and 8. So you just multiply it by 7 and you get your answer 161 meters. All right. My storybook is 198 pages long. This was an interesting question. I have to read 35 more pages to finish half of the book. How many pages in all remain? Total length is 198 pages. Half I have read. So 198 divided by 2 gives you 99. I am on page number. I have 35 more pages to read from half to finish half the book. So 99 minus 35 is 64. To finish the complete book, I have to read 198 minus 64 is equal to 134 pages. So I've already read 64 pages. So from the total, you minus that and you get your answer. Jane has 73 picks and Lillian has 97. How many must Lillian give Jane so that both of them have the same number? So Jane has 97 minus 73, 24 picks, less than Lillian. Now to make things equal, she cannot give 24. If she gives 24, then she'll be at the number at which Jane is. At which Jane is, yes. So now, how much should she give? See, there are two ways of doing it, right? So I'm teaching you the first way. So whatever you get as a difference, just half it, and they will have the exact number of pictures. So 24 divided by 2, 12 pictures. Now see, Jane has 73 plus 12, 85 pictures. Lillian has 93 minus 12, 85. Or you can just add up both the digits, 97 plus 73, and divide them by 2. So each of them would have 85 pictures, right? So the moment you add up and divide it by 2, so they will get an equal number of pictures. I hope you understood this, both the methods. Moment, hold on. 5 plus 2, 7. Alright. Alright, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry, minor calculation mistake on my part. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. That's how you get a 0. And you take it up. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2, 7 plus here this would be 2. Let's look at this one. So how would you get a 3 if you subtract something from 2? You cannot, right? So from 12 you have to borrow 1. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So now here what happens? 4 remains. So 4 minus 0 is 4, right? And what happens over here? How do you get a 5? So you get a 7 over here. So 7 minus 2 is 5. How many days is it from Wednesday to the following Monday if both days are involved? Very easy. A week has 7 days. So Wednesday to Tuesday will be 1 week, 7 days. And to Wednesday to Monday would be 6 days, right? Instead of adding 12 to a certain number, this is an interesting sum. Instead of adding 12 to a certain number, a boy subtracted 12. A boy subtracted 12. His answer was 25. What was the correct answer? So let the number be x. Boy's mistake, he subtracted. So x minus 12 is equal to 25 and the answer he was getting was 25. So now just take this 12 over there to the right hand side. So 25 plus 12 is x is 37. Now boy's mistake, right, gave us the correct number, that is 37. But we want the correct answer. Had 12 been added to it? So you have to add 12 to this. So 37 plus 12 is 49. So 49 becomes the correct answer, which would have come in the case had the boy added a 12 over there. I hope things were very clear to you, right? And I hope you enjoyed doing this exercise. Just tell me how many questions did you get right. Thank you very much.